Umwaka gw'Enkumi-22 mukareba amakuru g'Abanya-Uganda abagira asharo ya Uganda na Tanzania mutukura bakesharinga bwanyuma y'abashuma batahiro mucanga ca Ankole bato bakiba moto kino mu ciro cumwe bwanyuma yo kugezaho kuzitoreza barukweza tracking devices bakazereba muri Tanzania ngukunka ko bagerezeho kuzayo kuzihayo baremesebwa byo kwerinda umwihanga rya Tanzania bwanyuma ya kesharingo eti kikashanyaraze by'entambara boda ya mutukura echaritira byo kwerinda umwihanga rya Uganda bataho mu nshongezi nuko kwandikira government ya Tanzania nuko kukwata motokezi mbwenizo baryanyumwe bazyo bakama ba motokezi bashikira muri Tanzania kandi motokinezi twashanga polisi ya Mureba hamwe na Chaka police station konkaza bazirwe mu mberambi nuko bamakanika bakatanduko gwabo Imotoka zindi 3 z'Abanya-Uganda nazo zacungurwa bitu zitegerize bakamabazo okuzigarukana imotoka ineze zitungere bakamabazo zihirwa yo mu mikono yabo kandi umukoro gwembirwa mu jwecorwa wa DPP yo muri Tanzania Senior State Attorney hamwe no muwezo wa RDC yo mu ihanga rya Tanzania hamwe n'abandi binji kandi aba babuganaho abakuru kurwo mu ihanga rya Uganda aba babembirwa entumwa ningash ambassador wa Uganda muri Tanzania Kano Fred Mwesije o wabashagatirwa RDC wa Chotera district Mugume DPC wa Chotera hamwe no Wisinjiro district hamwe n'abandi bebembezo kuruguma mahanga gombi.
The court ordered that the said motor vehicles be returned to the owners who are the Ugandan nationals, and today we had a very special event of making a handover here at Misenyi district. As you can see at the office of the district commissioner here is where the event took place. It was participated by the representative of the DPP from Uganda, who is the central authority for Uganda, because he's the one who requested from the DPP in Tanzania for mutual legal assistance, and that mutual legal assistance has been processed.
You would have lifted that Magai of Tanzania, but I thank them for having taken that first initial step of apprehending these vehicles. So we thank you so much.
Kwa hiyo leo tuna furaha sana na tunatoa shukurani kwa wote walioshiriki kufanikisha jambo hili lifikie tamati. Hongereni sana.
Abanya-Uganda ko bayiteye induru ngo mutukaza bakaziba. Polisi ya Tanzania yakora upfwe kihembe mutukizo yazi kwata. Myaka ibiri hoire. Kurango bakaba batiri kupateza kunyura Tanzania na Uganda tubakwatira mutukizo. So tubasima
motokina nzo zirekwirwe ezo mufuso fighter eyayibirwe Rutoma Kashari tipazi ibiri okurugibanda hamwe na Kamwenje forward yechika cha Mignon eyayibirwe kuruga Masaka eyimukama wayatizire hariho motokeza asigarayo z'Abanya-Uganda abatarya izo motoka nimuza kuzihandurira
hati twatahurtiro eziriyaho nizo kuzikoraho naho kandi Uganda abo bazo kukora wadaho
kwabo kushemerwa mnonga aha windoberi akuba tukabata kuteka mu kije kubako
so nimbasa kwebaza abantu abanyambiro okufuna nko kwero kusha
nani nyenda omusumo bakwasire ne motoka yitu atusasire damages
terwa tia gas terabire yabusha twangwire na ambassador wa ambassador wa Tanzania
bakibe motoka zitu motoka bazitwara chonka no kuziyerwa ryo taro
n'abakoza Juliet or vice chairman wa Mbara district yashababembezi bihanga ya Tanzania okita Abanya-Uganda abo motoka zabo zayibirwe okumara emyaka 3 batari kuziganyirwa mu.
We would like to request the Tanzanian people to at least help us to get the culprit and pay our damages.
Evans Tarima abwa TV West umur Tanzania.